Hi everyone, welcome to Art Deck. So what I've got here today is the Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer. So what we'll go ahead and do in this video is do a test run of this chamber vacuum sealer so that you can see just how it works. So I got here just a roast. What you want to do is go ahead and make sure your clip holder's lifted up. Slide the bag over your heating bar. Now if you've already done a few of these, be careful because the heating bar could be hot. So just watch where you're touching. Once you got the bag under your clip holder, push the clip holder down. Go ahead and close the top. So by default, it is set on normal vacuum and normal seal. For this one, I want to go ahead and do a strong vacuum. I'll leave the seal to normal. From there, we'll go ahead and hit the start button. There you go, it is done. Go ahead and open it up, lift up your bag clip holder, pull it out, and there you have it, one vacuum sealed meat. And it is that easy using a chamber vacuum sealer. So this was the video, a test demonstration on how to use the vacuum chamber sealer. If you guys have any questions about it, please feel free to ask in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And in the meantime, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and y'all stay safe out there.